Namaskar, this is Prishasti Bhagasra with you. You are watching the Awaz. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. Uttarakhand STF arrests two cyber criminals in Pune for cheating Dehradun men of rupees 10 lakh. Two cyber criminals from Jharkhand's Jamtara have been arrested in Pune for allegedly duping a resident of Dehradun man of rupees 10 lakh, said Uttarakhand Special Force on Thursday. According to STF, the accused have been identified as Nisar Ansari from Jamtara district and Abdul from the Jharkhand's Devghar. STF said that the accused routinely cyber thugs did 3.5 crore fraud. STF raided in 5 states, 1 arrest. STF arrested a member of gang who committed cyber fraud of rupees 3 crore 50 lakh in the name of life insurance policy from Delhi. In fact, Prakash Joshi, a resident of Haldwani in Nainital district, has complained to the Cyber Police Station Dehradun that he was cheated of about 3.5 crores. In the investigation of this matter, a gang was found in the hands of the police which was operating in many states. Police is probing how many more accused are involved in this case. BJP State President Madan Kaushik said booth committees will be the basis of victory. BJP State President Madan Kaushik addressed the virtual meeting of Booth Committee's verification campaign at BJP State Headquarters on Wednesday. He said that the organization would verify all the 11,235 booths in the states. He said that the workers will have to work consciously under the strategy at the booth level and increase the dialogue. In the meeting, General Secretary Organization Ajay Kumar asked the workers to go door to door to spread the schemes of the central and the state governments. Today, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami will visit Vandana Kataria's house to congratulate her after returning from Delhi. Indian women hockey player and hat-trick scorer in Tokyo Olympics Vandana Kataria breaks down as she hugs her mother on arrival at their residence in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Also, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, after returning directly from New Delhi, will be on a tour of Haridwar district to visit Indian hockey player Vandana Kataria house to congratulate her. Yellow alert of heavy rain in Uttarakhand on August 15. Rain is forecast in Uttarakhand on 15th of August. In such a situation, rain can disturb the celebration of Independence Day. The Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert on August 13, 14 and 15 because of intense and heavy rain at isolated places in the hilly and plain districts. According to the 5-day forecast issued by the Meteorological Department, there is a possibility of light to moderate rain, thunder showers and heavy showers at some places in the mountain areas of the state. Thank you. Keep watching the Awaz for the latest updates all around the Uttarakhand.